The Microsoft Teams Live Events is a great tool to broadcast live video events to a large audience. However, some people may sometimes ask inappropriate questions anonymously. So if you're also looking for a method to block anonymous questions in these events, keep watching in this video tutorial. Now what you should know first is that there's currently no option to block anonymous questions in Teams Live events. There is a workaround, however, and the only way you can block anonymous questions during Microsoft Teams meetings is to not allow people to join the meeting anonymously. You can do that at the admin level. So if you don't have access to Teams Admin Center, you might have to ask your IT admin to make all the necessary changes. But if you're the IT admin, to start, go to Teams Admin Center, then click on Meetings. Once done, select Meeting Settings, navigate to Participants, then turn off Anonymous Users Can Join a Meeting option. Now this setting will prevent anonymous users from attending the meeting, and as a result, you won't get anonymous questions in Microsoft Teams. Now that's how you can simply disable anonymous questions for Teams Live events. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.